Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the bean stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. I have also made a video on the mini bean stitch, and I will also have that listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have made the bean stitch, so this is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, I made any number of chain. I then started working regular single crochets into the first row. I made one bean stitch, skipped a single, a bean stitch, skipped a single, made a bean stitch in this second row right here, and then I just started making bean stitches for the rest of my rows, which I'm going to show you how to do on the row that I'm currently working. I have already made 2 chains on my hook, so I'm ready to make my first bean stitch. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch that you want to work. Grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook again into that same stitch. Grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same stitch again. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. Yarn over, take that yarn through all the loops on your hook, then make 1 chain. It's going to be 1 bean stitch made. So again, insert your hook into the stitch you want to work, grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook for the third and last time into that same stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, yarn over, take that yarn through all the loops on your hook, and make a chain to secure the bean. Okay, so I'm going to do that in the next stitch right here. Insert your hook into the stitch you want to work, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, yarn over your hook, insert your stitch into your hook into that same stitch that you're working with, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same stitch again, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over your hook, take that yarn through all the loops on your hook, make a chain. Insert your hook into the stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch again, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook for the third and last time into that same stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, take that yarn through all the loops on your hook, and make a chain. So then if you wanted to make any more rows, you would just repeat this row that I just made. And that is going to be how to make the bean stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.